Do you know the difference between lithium-ion and LFP batteries? In this video, let's briefly look at the difference between the two. First, let's look at the basic battery voltage. Lithium-ion batteries have a nominal voltage of 3.7 volt and a full charge voltage of 4.2 volt. LFP batteries have a nominal voltage of 3.2 volt and a full charge voltage of 3.6 volt. Also, depending on the packaging form, they are divided into cylindrical, prismatic, and polymer types. Why do these differences occur even though they are both batteries? First is energy density. Lithium-ion has a higher density than LFP. Generally, the energy density of the lithium-ion batteries is about twice as high. Their significant difference is weight, volume, sustainability, and stability. First, weight and volume. High density means that the weight is lighter relative to the capacity. Let's assume there is a battery with a capacity of 300 mA. Even with the same capacity, you can see that the final size of battery is different due to energy density. This can be expressed as the final weight increasing as well. If we are to make a 20V 900 mA battery pack, the volume difference would be as follows. Second, sustainability and lifespan. Lithium batteries are suitable for high output applications like motors due to their high density. This is called the discharge rate, denoted by the symbol C. You need to look at this part of the battery datasheet. It indicates the instantaneous maximum discharge rate. Also, lifespan is better in LFP than in lithium-ion. This is expressed in cycles. One cycle refers to the case where the cumulative usage reaches 100%. For example, consider a 100 ampere battery that is 100% charged. You used 50 yesterday and charged it. You also used 50 today. Since the cumulative usage is 100%, this is expressed as one cycle. The appropriate cycles for each battery are as follows. Third, stability. Have you heard of terminal runaway? Places that use lithium batteries, such as EVs, are inevitably vulnerable to fire. Lithium batteries have high density, but terminal runaway occurs easily in case of internal short circuit or overheating. However, LFP batteries have a structurally stable form, so possibility of terminal runaway is very low, and explosive fires do not occur. Which battery should you use in what situation? As mentioned earlier, lithium-ion is suitable for drill batteries and portable power banks, considering efficiency and weight to capacity ratio. If you are considering a power bank for car camping or prioritizing safety and lifespan, LFP is suitable. In this video, we compared lithium-ion and LFP batteries and learned about their respective characteristics. In the next video, we will learn about the boost converter, which changes voltage. If the video was useful, please subscribe and like button. Thank you for watching.